Looking for a great deal on a haircut?
Take those ends off like that, that's all. Freshen it up a bit.
Or maybe a cool new look?
Good afternoon, True Style at Madison College. How can I help you?
Then stop by Madison College's True Style Salon, where you'll get great service from head
Looks great.
to toe.
We have the manicure pedicure room with the pedicure thrones. We have a facial room with the chairs that go all the way back. We have a dispensary, which is where the color gets dispensed.
And here's some more good news. Madison College's cosmetology program is now offering night classes. To learn more about the new schedule and the True Style Salon, go to this webpage or call 608-246-6068.
More in this area, you said?
For Madison College Minutes, I'm Bill Bessett.